You want to talk about my hair loss? It all started in Afghanistan. Because of the 2 missions and the stress. The uncertainty I had the whole time I was there, and yes, it leaves its mark. For me, it's mainly the hair. Back in Germany, it was hard. Every time I looked in the mirror, the hair loss kept reminding me of this. What was going on in Afghanistan? This stress has always been a bit. It always brought me back again. I am Rudolf, 37 years old. My life changed exactly 2 years ago. At the end of my service, I thought to myself, if not now, then when? And with my new job as a personal trainer, it's also more convenient. When I look younger, fresher, and more energetic. That's why I decided to get a hair transplant. The worst thing is actually the wedding pictures. I look 10 to 20 years older than I do now. And in the morning too. Getting ready, it took me ages to get my hair halfway in place before I was willing to step out of my house. Now I just have to run my hands through my hair and it fits most of the time. In the 2 years since my hair transplant, more has changed than just the fact that I have a full head of hair now. I go through life more easily. A lot of things are running more smoothly. I'm more relaxed and have more confidence in myself. That's why next week I'm fulfilling myself a dream, as I will be at the selection procedure for the fire brigade. Because I want to become a firefighter. And it was more than just a hair transplant. It has become a new life. They were professional, serious, friendly, and I felt safe. Get some professional advice from Elithair. It can only get better. You never know what will change in your life. It can only get better, believe me.